He'll never find us in here. He may be bigger, but we're smarter. Cover your tracks.
It'll be a cold day in Hades before I relent to you fiends!
I offered them a bright new world. A pity so few of my patients lived to see it.
You all!
But it's okay. You tried. You always tried. There's no way out now, but I still love you.
You should never play with fire. It's not safe.
Everywhere I go, I find more of these monstrosities. I shall never get off this island.
Retreat, you upstarts! Maybe this will keep you back!
You afraid of something?
It's nice in here, Daddy.
Dad can't swim.
Come on, Daddy.
You aquatic atrocities! Fire in the hole! What? I near set you ablaze! Quick, come into my bunker!
They're all just fodder, I'm afraid, and there's an eternal supply.
It's good to see another human still among the living. The name is Clem, sir. I've been plotting my escape from Abbott for years, and I had hoped to carry out my exodus tomorrow. But these recent events have ruined everything. Here, I'll show you.
Make him bleed.
He can teach you a lot. See what he has to say.
Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Look there! Do you see? Coming out of the waves? I swear it is the most hideous thing I have ever laid eyes upon. No good deed goes unpunished. Back from whence it came. Damn you all!
Quite all right. Back there, you seemed like a man possessed.
You may kill one, but another takes its place as quickly as you can reload. Remember, no good deed goes unpunished.
These festering creatures flaunt science with their every step. What's more, they are impervious to bullets and can only be blown up, burned, or if you are truly brave, hacked up with an axe. They seem to have some connection to an 18th century slave ship wrecked down the beach a ways. This way!
Move or die, sir. Move or die.
There she is. To my understanding, few were killed in the crash itself, though the traders did not free their still-living human cargo. Instead, they left them shackled in the ship's hull, where slowly the Negroes were consumed by rats.
Damnation! The Festers are coming! They're all just fodder, I'm afraid, and there's an eternal supply. Death to the spoilers! Well done, sir. Remember, no good deed goes unpunished. Well done, sir. You may kill one, but another takes its place as quickly as you can reload. Burn! Burn! If it weren't for these waterlogged abominations, I'd be able to set my raft a sail. It's a tiny vessel, too small and unseaworthy to accommodate more than a single passenger. Probably not even one who weighs as much as yourself. I'll show you. From whence it came. Bombs away! My raft's not much, but I hope it will be enough. I clambered out that large sewer pipe to escape from Abbott. Now I wonder if we wouldn't be safer going back inside. But I will not give up on my plan. Steady! They're back again! They're all just fodder, I'm afraid. There's an eternal supply. Incoming! Remember, no good deed goes unpunished. Incoming! Annihilation awaits! Well done, sir. I do believe those creatures are coming from inside the wreck. If you can get in there, you might be able to destroy them. Then I'll be able to launch. If you will assist me in this matter, I will make it worth your while. I implore you, sir, inmate to inmate, I need your help. I don't know how much longer I can survive this maelstrom of death. Must find a way to stem that flow. You need to be more careful. People might get the wrong idea.
If we let them out, they'll slaughter. There's a whole lot of them, and only a handful of us. These good shot. Well, we can't stop them about it.
Petroleum, troglodytes!
Leave them in the hole. Rats will finish them.
Fire in the hole! My eternal thanks to you, sir! I left you a valuable map up near the sewer entrance. Good luck! Don't let the bastards keep you down!
Set him free, T.
This place wants you, Torque. It needs people like you. Once it gets a hold of you, it won't let you go, like it hasn't let me go. I've been here a damn long time, and it's sucked me dry. I pray it's almost done with me. It's sending something after you. It let you out for a bit, now it wants you back, deep inside. Deep inside where I've been all these fucking years. Don't say I never did anything for you. Come join me in the dance hall.
Camps are a good idea out west, then it's a good idea to shoot crouch spies on this coast.
been waiting so long just to fucking sleep. I think you're my last chance, Talk. Don't let me down. Oh no. It's back. It's starting again. It never stops. It just keeps burning. It won't let me go. I think we got something in common. We know what love is. We know what it is to love a woman. You'd do anything for her. Am I right? And something else we got. We know what it is to lose it. Lose it all. To not be in control. I just wanna die! I can't even remember what I was in here for. Beating up some guy, whatever. I got screwed by the system. Fuck them. They fucked my life. They're as responsible for my old lady's dying as I am. Nobody wants the whole story. Just lock them up, throw away the key. See you next life. I can't fucking take it! Just wanted to keep her safe. Couldn't protect her while I was on the inside. It ate me up. I lay awake at night thinking of what would happen to her. Any guy like me, any guy really loved his old lady would have done the same thing. Why won't it stop? So I couldn't take it anymore. So on that day, she came over for a conjugal and we fucked. I screwed her like I never had before. It was smooth, warm, rough, and sweet. The best lay of our lives. Stop it! Stop me! And then, she was laying there after. She looked so beautiful with a sheen of sweat on her. And I did it. I cut her. Every last inch of her. All over. I cut her. It's coming again! Scalding! Thank you.
Gone. Now it's just you and me. We will meet again later. I look forward to it.
love you, Daddy. You wouldn't hurt us.
Dad, I'm over here.
You're not so bad, I guess. I just wish you'd always been there, you know?
T!
Something broke in you in that group home, T, and I didn't have enough time to fix it. There's beauty in you. I could always see it. Stay strong for me, okay?
You will die in 7 days.